Get out of poverty in this year with this 5 simple side hustles that pays. Are you an employee tired of the low year income you earn? Or you are a student trying to increase your monthly earning? Maybe you are a job seeker tired of job hunting? Are you looking for a way out of financial trouble? These hustling side jobs will give you huge extra income. You will achieve your financial goals faster. Number 1. Start a blog. Blogging is a difficult side hustles to make money fast but pays after getting your audience. Most popular bloggers are making huge amount of money every month. Some make between $500 to $100,000 monthly. But it all depends on your audience. This platform sets you up for life in earning a tremendous amount of active and passive income. A blog is something you can easily build within a few hours of work per week. But you need to stay consistent and post great content regularly to succeed. Number 2. Freelancing jobs. There are so many ways to make money as a freelancer. If you can read, write, program, and make videos, you can make money freelancing online or offline. No matter your industry, freelance work is great for anyone. And is something you can start doing as a part-time job, without living your present job. Some freelancers make between $30 to $1,000 daily. www.upwork.com or www.fiverr.com is a good platform to start with. Number 3. Driving. One of the most widely available ways for making money in the year this year is to sign up as a driver. You can make huge amount of money driving or use platform like Uber to get more client. The best part of this is that you can turn on and off your availability with the simple click of a button. That's to say allowing you to make money irrespective of what time says. This is one of the best side hustle for you. For people that works between Mondays to Fridays. Weekends are the best days to drive and make good cash. Number 4. Graphic design services. Graphic designing, content developing and 3D motion designing have been one of the most demanding skill in the world these days. There are a lot of people, a lot of companies, a lot of businesses out there that demands for this services. So you can engage yourself in this side hustling jobs. www.upwork.com or www.fiverr.com is a good platform to start with. This skill will serve you right in the year. Number 5. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the fastest ways of making money. You can become an affiliate marketer by signing up with some good companies, help them market their products and get paid. You can use your social media platform like Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. Some affiliate marketers make as much as $500 and above monthly. www.amazon.com, www.ebay.com is a good platform to start with. Or look for a good company offering good affiliate program. If you like this video, consider subscribing to our channel for more quality video like this. Like, share and leave your comment below. This video was brought to you by www.vickpoint.com. Follow us on Instagram at RealVickpoint. Thank you for watching.